welcome to the BFW stall at ENGIMACH. We have been participating in ENGIMACH for the last 30 years since the ENGIMACH has earlier ENGIMACH was happening in the city. Now they have shifted to this big ground in Gandhinagar where the facilities are much better and we are able to display bigger machines also. Here we have displayed our horizontal machining center, Prima 55 Pro. It's a 500 by 500 horizontal machining center. And this machine has been widely accepted in the Gujarat market, and that's why we are particularly focusing this machine in this market. And here we are displaying our small size VTL BVL 500H. This is a vertical turning center for small size turning applications, popular in the oil and gas industry, and Gujarat being one of the hubs for this, we are targeting this market here. Here we have displayed our BFW subsidiary companies product, which are M2 Next. These are basically industry 4.0 compliant products for production monitoring. This is our Rhino series horizontal turning center. Speciality is this machine is a single piece casting, and with the slant bed, the access to this machine, so you can see the spindle is quite close to the operator and easy to access. We have two different models in this. 200 chuck, 250 chuck and 300 chuck size. This is a vertical machining center, BME Pro, 900 by 500. A very popular size which is used in tool rooms across Ahmedabad. That's why we have displayed this machine in here. And specifically designed for tool room applications for accommodating all kinds of jobs.